Hello everyone, I'm Saranya of Second BComB, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today we all are going to see about one interesting topic in financial service, that is venture capital and its stages. First of all, we are seeing the meaning of venture capital. Venture capital can be summarized as your ideas and our money concept of developing business. Venture capitalists are people who pool financial resources from high net worth individuals, corporates, pension funds, insurance company, etc. to invest in high risk and high returns venture that are unable to raise funds from regular channels like banks and capital markets. Next, we are seeing stages of venture capital financing. The various stages involved in typical venture financings, that is seed capital, startup financing, early stage financing, follow on financing, expansion financing, replacement financing, turnaround financing. Let's see one by one. The first one is seed capital. You are just starting out and have no product or organized company yet. You could be seeing seed capital. Few venture capital funds at the stage and the amount invested would be properly be small. Investment capital may be used to create a simple product, fund market research, or cover administrative setups cost. Entrepreneurs spend most of this stage convincing investors that their ideas represent a viable investment opportunity. Funding amounts in a seed capital are generally small or large, used for thinking like marketing research, product development, and business expansions with the goal of creating a profitable to attract additional investors in later funding rounds. The second one is startup capital. At this stage, your company could have a simple product available with at least one principal working full time. Funding at this stage is also rare. Instead, to cover requirement of other key managements, additional market research, and finalizing of the product or service for introduction to be marketplace. Typically, the company has to prototype to show investor but has not yet sold any product. At this stage, business need a larger infusions of cash to fine tune their products and services, expand their personnel, and conducting any remaining research necessary to support an official business launches. The next one is early stage financing. It is also called as first stage financing. The company is now ready to go into actual manufacturing and sale, and this requires a higher amount of capital than the previous stages. Most first stage business are generally young and have a commercially viable product or services. 2 or 3 years into your venture, you are gotten your company off the ground. A management team is in place and sales are increasing. At the stage, capital venture funding could help you increasing sales to the break even point, improve your productivity, or increasing your company efficiency. It's also known as seed funding. The term seed suggested that is an yearly investment meant to support the business until it can generate cash of its own or until it is ready to further investments. The next one is follow on in finance. Venture capital assist firm could go for follow on financing at a stage when they need funds or further grow. Follow on financing is a supplementary round of financing. It is an existing venture capital funded company. The project must be proved to be successful. The next one is expansion capital. Your company is well established and now you are looking to venture capital to help take your business to next level of growth. Funding at this stage you may help enter new markets or increasing your marketing efforts. You should seek out venture capitalists that specialize in later stage investing because the business likely already a commercially viable product and it's starting to see some profitability. Venture capital funding in a emerging stage is largely used to grow the business even further though market expansions and product divisibility. Next one is replacement finance. In this form of financing, the venture capitalist purchases the shares from the existing shareholders of the company who are willing to exit from the company. Such a course is often adapted with the investor who want to exit from the investing company and the promoters do not intend to list its shares in a secondary market. The venture capitalist previous growth of the company over 3 to 5 years and accepts to earn capital again at a much shorter duration. The last one is turnaround financing. When a company is operating at a loss after crossing a early stage and entering into commercial production, it may plan to during about a change in your operation by modernizing or expanding its operation by addition to its existing products or deletions of your loss making products by reorganizing its staffs or undertaking markets of its product etc. For undertaking the above steps for reviewing the company, infusions of additional capital is needed. The fund provided by the venture capitalist for this purpose are called turnover financing. These are the stages of financing. Capital financings. Thank you for being listening my video. Have a good day.